How to buy Burner Ball token. So this token came under the symbol of Burner. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 hours ago. It's very new token. So this token, it's increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. This token also traded number 3, also on a section. To be able to buy this token, it is and simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token under the Solana network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Phantom wallet, and now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and place the token on this. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy of that token. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy Burner token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.